today's day. We'll run some beans. So got 6620 here. We're gonna get the head put on. I don't know how much I'm gonna be able to film that. And then I think it's all serviced. I gotta change a couple guards out. And then that I couldn't get off while it was on the header wagon. And then I believe we're ready to go play. So I guess I'm gonna put this on. I'd like to film it, but I don't know if I'm gonna be able to do that. So I only got two hands. So alrighty guys, we'll catch you here after a while. Adapters to go from R12 to 134. Hopefully get to try them out. I just haven't had a chance to back the system out and get it recharged. The pump seems free, it turns and everything. The guy that I bought it off of said they just never messed with it because they never had anybody that wanted to. So yeah, I guess that's what we're gonna do. Hopefully I get some decent footage. I don't know if I will over here, but I'd like to over back at the farm. So hopefully maybe I can put a little time lapse together of combine in this field. I might just do that, and then we'll go from there. Alrighty guys, catch you in a bit.